I bought this 7-quart cook and carry crockpot from Sam's Club in September of 2023 for $50. I used it less than 6 times over the past couple of years, and it started acting up a few months ago. When I plugged it in, I couldn't get it to work. I tried the reset procedure, that is, to hold the power and mode buttons down for 30 seconds. It worked once, and I was able to use the crockpot. After that, I tried it again, and it did not work. It did not reset. The inner liner was held in by aluminum rivets, which were easily destroyed by a small pair of pliers. I didn't catch it on video, but the inner liner is encircled by this ring that has a spring holding it together. As soon as I took a look at the circuit board, I knew that this capacitor was bad. It had a small bulge on the bottom of it. Using the information on the existing capacitor, I ordered new ones from Amazon, 1000 microfarad, 10 volt, and it's a 8 by 12 millimeter capacitor. It was really easy to desolder the old one and solder in a new one. I plugged it in and tested it. Everything worked fine. So I just had to put it back together. I screwed up here and didn't put it together correctly. I'll show you what I mean in a minute. I found the easiest way to do this part was to put the spring on the warming ring first and then slide it over the liner. You can see here I had to take this off again so I could screw the circuit board to the front plate and then screw it from the back. That was the mistake I made earlier. To resecure the liner, I just used some 832 by inch and a half machine screws with matching nuts and washers. I hope this doesn't happen to you, but if it does, good luck, guys.